I'm sorry, excuse the face. I have not put on any makeup. I've literally just done my skincare. I'm at my skincare bench and I'm like, haven't even told you what I've been up to. I went to the new Mecca store, their big flagship store in the city of Melbourne. And I also went to Dior and I had a facial, which was absolutely beautiful. So I thought, you know what, I'm going to share with you what I got. Because why not? So yeah, sit back, relax, grab a cup of tea, a wine, whatever you want, and let me show you what I've spent my money on. Also, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel. My name is Sarah, and yeah, this is what I do. No, that's not what I do. I just like to share. So hopefully you like me. If you do, hit a like. Likes are for free, as my favorite YouTube crypto guy says. Likes are for free. Not much in this world is for free, so why not? Hit the like button, hit subscribe, and let's get into it. So, first things first, Mecca. Mecca is an Australian Sephora, basically, and their new flagship store, amazing. Did I film? No, I'm not a vlogger. I'm going to try to be, but I'm really not good at it. I went with my daughter. We just had a squeeze. I brought a couple of things. It was busy, and it was sort of, how can I explain it? It was good. I really liked it. I like everything that they've got going on there. It was just still like squishy. So when you go up to have a look at makeup and stuff, you're kind of like you're fighting for space. So it's really, really hard. Like I kind of like the layout, but there's a lot crammed in there. Do you know what I mean? Anyway, so as I was heading out, I saw these. So I just grabbed some face masks. I've already used this one. It was nice. You know, I think they were about $11 or something. It's probably the cheapest thing in there. And then, oh, I discovered this. Now, I'm pretty sure I've seen this brand in Mecca or even maybe Maya or David Jones. But I'm like, oh, let me just go and have a closer look. Like, I don't know how to pronounce it, but I did get a body oil. Look, you're going to die. You're going to die. The packaging, oh, it came with a little pumpy thing. I don't think I'll use that. The packaging, are you ready? You're not ready. It is like, I think it's ceramic. Is that plastic? I was gonna, it's not plastic. Oh, is that the most beautiful bottle you've ever seen in your entire life? Could you just, what I found though, with this, I don't want to, it smells like you've got flower petals, rose flower petals, and just gone like this, gone, that's what it smells like. And I love that smell. Oh my God, anything flowery. The only thing with this brand is, this cost me $80. This is an $80 bottle of oil, body oil. And the only thing I found with this brand, which I actually think is quite disappointing and weird, is they don't have refills. So you buy this gorgeous bottle with the label and everything, which probably could just come off as paper. But they've got hand soaps and everything, and you just have to keep rebuying this bottle. There's no refill. This is a stunning bottle. Why would you not have refills for it? Like, it just makes no sense to me. Because then what are you doing with the bottle? Like, I don't know. It's so pretty. Like, I'm not throwing this out. But I'm not going to buy 10,000 of them and have them around my house either. So that's my Mecca. Let's get into Dior. Let me tell you, I went to the High Point store and I had a facial. They usually put them on, I think, once or twice a year. I've had one twice this year, one from High Point and one from Chadstone. I usually go to see what's new, if there is anything new, and if there is, try it out on my skin. Plus, it's nice. Like, it's a proper, you know, they put you in a room, it's beautiful, and it's decorated, and they've got all the new stuff, and you get a proper, you know, like, I think it was a 40-minute facial or 45-minute facial. That's what they do for the prestige facials. They also have Lauder V facials, which I have not had one of those, even though I do buy a couple of things from Lauder V. Don't know why I haven't been invited for a Lauder V facial, but anyway. So I got a refill of my facial cleansing foam. I absolutely love that. And I also got, this is new to me, I also got, yes I did, I got some firming masks. These weren't cheap, but I don't care. So I got those. I think there's 5 in there. Why doesn't it tell me? Oh no, there's 6. 6 firming masks. And then I also got, before I get into the freebies, I also got this. As soon as I saw this, I was like, I've got to have it. And you're going to know why. As soon as you see it, you're going to be like, yeah, of course, you have to have it. Oh, it's so pretty. Now, I don't know if that's coming out as red on the thing, but it's actually pink. Like, it's called Shocking Pink 580. So I'll just sort of put that there. But I don't know how to make you see how pink it is. Can I put it up next to this? Maybe this might make it pink. I don't know. I don't know. It is like in store. Like, it was just, can I, oh, hang on. They pop up, by the way. They just come off like that, and then you open them like this. Yeah, it's a nail polish, by the way. Oh my God. It is like pink as pink. Anyway, I love it. So next time I go for a manicure, I am going to take my own. I'm turning this around like this, thinking that it's got a CD on the front of it, but it doesn't. Anyway, so I got a nail polish. Now, is Dior the best in nail polishes? No. Have I found a best nail polish? No. They all can chip. I've got the base, I've got the topper, I've got heaps of other nail stuff, and nothing stops them from chipping. Anyway, moving on. I've some reason got, and look, I'm not complaining because I put them everywhere, but I've got 1, 2, 3 stars. I think they're all the same. Yeah. Pretty little Dior stars. So I got 3 of those. I'm going to maybe put them on my Christmas tree or something. I'll quite the collection. Anywho, I got this little freebies, a little parfum. Oh, the new, you know, they've got their really, I don't know what it's called, but it's their really expensive private collection. I love the jasmine. Have I purchased it? No. Do I want to? Yes, but this is the rose one. This is new from their private collection. It's kind of, I don't know why I don't buy the really like expensive perfumes. I know they're like $1,000, which I don't know, like this is my toner. That's $1,000. You'd think I'd buy perfume for $1,000, but I just can't wrap my head around it. Like, I'm just so stupid. I don't know what my thinking is. Anyway, they also gave me a little freebie, a freebie pouch, and I think this is a gift with purchase. I'm pretty sure it's a gift with purchase. They don't just give me stuff. It's a gift with purchase. Anyway, oh, that's the back of it. Oh, she's pretty. Oh, this is nice. See that? And it's got a white zipper. I like that. I love these for my handbags. All right. Oh, she threw in a Micro de la Hue serum. Le Micro Hue de Rose. Oh, this is like a little travel one of this. Cute. Look. So obviously I use this. So that's pretty good. I do take these traveling with me. And then we've got a little pouch of stuff. Let's see. What have I got? Oh, so cute. Like, just cute. I just love little cute stuff. Aww. Not good. Ooh. I got a mascara. Nice. I've used this. This would be a great little travel one. Yeah. I've actually got a few of those in that size. I don't think I'll ever need to buy a full size one of those because I literally have like 4 of them in the travel. Then they've given me a Total Captel Ox C Treatment Le Serum. What is this? So I should show you. I should give that to my daughter, or I'll throw it in with my freebies that I give my friends. A little Miss Dior parfum. Which one is this? Doesn't say. I thought it was going to be the new one, then I'm like, no way. That's just that one. I've got 100 of them. And then I've got little lip maximizer. These are the freaking cutest. Oh, I've never had one this color before. Stop. I love cute little things. It's so cute. I've never had this color before in this tiny little thing. It's a plumping and hydrating lip gloss. What is the color? Tell me. Tell me the color. Tell me the color. Oh, rose nude. That is the freaking cutest. I love that. Anyway, that's my little haul. Did we like it? Did we love it? I did. That was fun. Anywho, that's my little haul. Thanks for watching if you did. Thanks for watching all the way to the end if you did. If you watched all the way to the end, put a little lip emoji down the bottom so I know that you watched to the end. And yeah, let me know if any of those were your favorite, what you think of what I got. And yeah, so let me know what you think. You're gonna wanna hit the bell for my next video because I purchased something from a influencer. So yeah, stick around for that, and I'm gonna give you my honest, just like customer review. So anyway, stick around for that. So you're gonna want to hit the notification bell. You're gonna want to subscribe, of course, and like the video if you liked it. Give it a thumbs down if you didn't like it. Like, just interact. I'd love some interaction. Anyway, thank you. Thanks for watching. Ciao, ciao, bye.